Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the len function in Python. What is the len function? The len function returns the length of the given list, string, tuple, dictionary, array, etc. Basically, any object that is iterable or a container. Here's an example. We have a variable called myString, and the value of this variable is the string coding is fun. And we would like to take the length of this variable, which is essentially taking the length of the string. So let's count the number of characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. As you can see here, 11 is the length of our string. Here are some more examples. We would like to print the length of hello. Let's count the number of characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gets printed to the console output. Here we would like to print the length of this list. Let's count the number of items or elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 gets printed to the console output. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Bye.